Find or read reviews that people are talking about BUTOA-X, magnetic solar wireless backup camera with 5-inch HD monitor. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Solar-powered truly wireless, BUTOA-X solar wireless backup camera features an auto sleep mode and smart power management that auto-wakes when driving. Combined with a 15,000 mAh battery and 5-watt high-efficiency solar charging, the RV backup camera wireless system maintains power for continuous operation during extended trips without draining vehicle power. Magnetic HITCH camera mount. Achieve a 1-minute quick install with this magnetic backup camera wireless base. It attaches directly to steel surfaces on trucks, pickups, or travel trailers without wiring or drilling, leaving no permanent marks. The fully sealed waterproof backup camera for truck remains functional during highway speeds and precipitation. Type-C fast charging. The 15,000 mAh battery and 5-watt solar panel support extended use for this solar backup camera. As a reliable plug-and-play solution, it supports Type-C 5V 2A charging, requiring approximately 2 hours for a full charge after long periods of inactivity or in low sunlight conditions. 5-inch monitor 320 feet range. This RV backup camera wireless with monitor includes a 5-inch screen for image display. Utilizing dual antennas, the digital wireless signal supports a maximum transmission distance of 320 feet in open areas, functioning effectively as a trailer backup camera with fifth wheels and horse trailers. Infrared night vision system. Built-in sensors automatically activate infrared LEDs in low-light environments like a dark garage to provide crystal-clear night visibility. This versatile wireless backup camera for RV fits multiple vehicle types including SUVs, vans, campers, and pickups. Dual-channel split screen. The 5-inch monitor supports up to 2 camera channels simultaneously. This backup camera system for truck allows adding a second camera to monitor 2 distinct areas, such as the hitch ball and rear traffic, effectively minimizing blind spots around a horse trailer or camper. 4-way image flip. The system supports normal, mirror, flip, and mirror flip modes, assisting navigation in tight spots. Mount the rear view camera securely for rough terrains, and adjust brightness, contrast, and hue directly via the monitor interface. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.